I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need chat enabled and an emoji ready. Open chat now and paste or type the emoji. Start by pressing enter to focus chat, then paste emoji from clipboard or use your OS emoji picker. Once done, make sure your message won't trigger filters. Short test message first. If you're on console, open the on-screen keyboard and select emoji from your device menu. Move quickly so the match continues. This gets you straight into sending emoji without changing gameplay settings. Now focus on how to insert emoji so it appears correctly. Paste a single Unicode emoji into chat because multiple combined glyphs may break or get filtered. That's why you test. For skin tone modifiers, use separate emoji rather than combined sequences if you encounter issues. Once you've confirmed visibility, choose team or all chat depending on whether you want teammates only to see it. This reduces confusion and ensures the emoji delivers your tone without being dropped by the client. Finish by sending the emoji and verifying teammates see it. Press enter to send and glance at chat history. If the emoji is missing or renders as a box, switch to a simpler Unicode emoji or paste as plain UTF-8 text because some composite emojis are blocked. If problems persist, relaunch Valorant or sign out and back in to refresh the client's font rendering. One key troubleshooting tip: test emoji in a practice match first to avoid surprises during ranked play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.